What it do, nation, what's happening, man? We back up in here, man, with another one for another one, man. You know what I'm saying, man? We got Duty in the back. Duty! Alright. Look. Duty! Yeah, we got my dog in the back, man. And we, doggy. Yeah. Got my dog in the back. We finna run and, I gotta run to Best Buy real quick. And gotta run to Best Buy. And I'm finna go down to the shop, man, to get my feet done, man. Finna go get my feet done. Baby finna put our hands on these feet, man. Getting ready for this trip, man, we got coming up. About to go and show out this little trip. And yeah. So right now I'm finna get some gas because I need some gas because I ain't got no gas. I don't think. I need a sending unit on the Firebird, man, so the gas ain't really doing what it want to do right now. So yeah. This also, I'm gonna also put that on the channel, man. I'm gonna put that on the channel, man. We're gonna do a full maintenance on the Firebird, man. Get the Firebird back up to specs, man, because it's kind of lacking a little bit, kind of slacking. So we're gonna get that right. But yeah, man, let me get out here and pump this gas. And yeah, I hit y'all back. Man, look at this. My dog back there knocked out, man. We ain't been in the car 5 minutes. Man, I thought I was finna have me somebody to ride with me, man. This man hurt mine back here snoring and shit. You finna wake his ass up though, cause we gotta go on Best Buy, so. Yeah, buddy. But, yeah, hey. There goes my rider. Man, I wish I could have seen this. I just got up on the Best Buy parking lot. And these folks had a wreck already. Backed into each other. Like, really shit. Boy. I'm talking about just, not just, boy, I don't understand. There ain't no be calm. They talking about long as they okay, be calm. You should have been paying attention. Hell, the dude that you hit was already in the aisle. Like, you bagged out on dude, and he was already out there. Like, it's crazy. All right, man. Let me get Duty doing together. Hit y'all right back when I'm getting. Hold on.
Be back.
Yeah.
Peace
About 2. Look, Duty. Look. You woke now? Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Yeah. Hey, Daddy.
Hi,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Walking here, about to invest in myself again. What's going on? Copyright. Let's go. Yep. Found what we was looking for. Suction cup. You happy? Found what we was looking for. And it is $39.99. Yeah. Just in time for my trip. this they go on this pedicure station, man, you know what I mean? But they got their music on, so I'm gonna cut the camera, I'm gonna cut the music back out. They got the music on. What? Y'all know what's going on, man.